Education is crucial to developing human capital, so it's safe to say that book publisher Sasbadi Holdings is here to stay. Founded in 1985 and listed in July last year, the group is now looking to grow further, organically and through acquisitions. I spoke to Law King Hui, Group MD of Sasbadi Holdings, on its future plans and strategies. Sasbadi said that it will actually focus on expanding its conventional publishing business, which it expects to see organic growth, and it will actually launch new products for this year. Can you update us on what are the new products that you have in mind to launch and what kind of growth can we see?
We intend to launch many new products to cater to the new exam format like PT3, which was to replace PMR. Because it's a new exam format, so all the old publications in the market will become irrelevant. So that alone, actually, we intend to bring out new titles. Just as an example, we will be publishing about 1,300 titles versus 1,150 titles in 2014. So that itself is more than 10% growth.
Organic growth aside, Sasbadi is also looking at acquisitions to grow. Specifically, it said that Sasbadi is looking at a Chinese syllabus-based local publisher. Can you update us on the timeline of this acquisition and also the size of it?
Yeah, currently we began talking. As usual, I mean, it takes both hands to clap, but nevertheless, we still hope to be able to close the deal within this financial year. The size of the company, I'm unable to divulge too much at this moment, but it will be quite significant.
Law, who controls 40% in Sasbadi, said the group might be looking at more than one acquisition for FY15. Another area of growth for Sasbadi is the digital learning sector. The group already has presence through Sasbadi Online Senjang Berhad since 2011, but the latest quarterly result shows that it's still loss-making. What are the plans in the pipeline and also prospects for this segment?
For the financial year, Sasbadi Online should turn in profit. For a start, we have $1 million income, $1 million ringgit income from the license fee that we charge, one-off license fee we charge Alanga, a publisher in Indonesia, for using our island platform. And we have just recently launched a lot of new products, for instance, the interactive bookmarks. We also have gamified educations, by developing a lot of applications, mobile applications, where we will be able to sell them through the normal retail bookstore, making digital product which is invisible with a physical form, and then it become a commercial product. So we believe that 2015 online will also be positive.
Sasbadi currently derives a bulk of its revenue from the print segment. Do you foresee this trend or ratio to continue, or will online or digital revenue pick up in the coming years?
Yes, I think for a few more years, I would say that print will still be very significant. Yes, I think I will begin to see the decline of prints and increase of online and digital. Having said so, digital products are being unconventional. I think it has a potential to be very explosive. It can give us exponential growth. So when the infrastructure is ready, when the market is matured, it can actually give you a very explosive catalyst that can bring about exponential growth and thereby changing our whole revenue and bottom line pattern.
What is the outlook for the education publishing sector this year, as it is dependent on the performance of the education sector, government initiatives, as well as growth in population?
I think I can say that it has never been better because the government is very committed to education. Our Malaysian government, they have rolled out an education blueprint from 2013 to 2025. So they do have actually a long-term strategy.
This strategy Law speaks of includes moving our education system from one that is very exam-centric to a more school-based assessment. That translates into a need for more tools and teaching aids for teachers, something Sasbadi aims to tap into. Overall, Law said the group is confident to see impressive numbers for its financial year ending August 31st, 2015. For FY14, Sasbadi achieved a net profit of 12.25 million ringgit on revenue of 79.51 million ringgit. For the first quarter of FY15, net profit came in at 1.65 million ringgit on revenue of 16.32 million ringgit. Its first quarter is said to be a seasonally weak quarter for the group. I'm Wei Lynn, this is the HTV.